The spider and the universe, and a rare Upanishadic truth. What is the source of all existence? The seers of the Upanishads didn't imagine gods with weapons or chariots. They observed nature, silence, and the mind. And one of the most elegant answers to creation came in the form of a spider. From the Mundaka Upanishad comes this mystical teaching. Just as the spider projects and withdraws its web, so does Brahman create and absorb this universe. Let us meditate on this image and what it reveals. A spider spins a web from itself. It does not fetch threads from outside. It emits the thread from within, stretches it out, builds intricate worlds of form, space, tension, and balance. Then, when the time comes, the same spider withdraws the thread, gathering back what was once projected. This is the Upanishadic vision of Brahman, the Supreme Self, the one without a second. As the spider projects and draws back the thread, this verse tells us Brahman is both the source and the substance of creation. The universe does not arise from some separate material. It arises from Brahman, exists in Brahman, and finally returns into Brahman. Just as the web is not different from the spider, this universe is not separate from its cause. This is non-duality, Advait. The Upanishad continues with two more analogies. As hair grows from the body, as sparks fly from fire. In all three, the principle is the same. The source and the product are not fundamentally different. The cause is immanent in the effect. Brahman does not create using tools. Brahman does not need help. Brahman is the material, the efficient, and the essential cause. So what does this mean for you and me? It means we are not separate from the source. We are made of that which made the stars. Just as a wave is not different from water, we are not different from Brahman. This web of life, with its strands of joy and sorrow, time and death, is not outside of God, it is within God, and it will return to God. The thread is never lost. The Upanishads do not shout. They whisper. And in that whisper, they point not to heavens, but within. You are that spider. You are that thread. You are that silence. Brahman is all this, from it, by it, into it. Let us sit still, like the spider. Let us draw back the world and realize the self, silent, shining, infinitat tvam asi. You are that.